So we have an English question here. What is the difference between conscience and conscious? I mean, I'm conscious right now, and my conscious is telling me not to slap somebody.
Yeah, I think you got those confused.
Oh,
So
damn it.
I'm going to try to make it a little easy for you to just, if we can look at my screen. I've pulled up both words on my screen, if we can look at it. And if you are familiar with the Disney film Pinocchio and Jiminy Cricket's character, he had a song about always letting your conscience be your guide. So again, if we can look at my screen, you can see where I've got these words pulled up, all right? So there's kind of a funny way that I remember this. So you can see we have the word science in here, okay? Now, that really doesn't have anything to do with, you know, having a good head on your shoulders and having good morals and, you know, always having, you know, good values and thinking about that. But when you're thinking about trying to spell these words, that's when it gets a little difficult. So I'm going to tell you about the difference in the meaning, but I'm also trying to show you the difference in the spelling, because both these words are hard to spell. And when I was typing this out, I even kind of, you know, had to remind myself. So conscience is your conscience. It's kind of the science of your values and your morals and your brain. So remember Jiminy Cricket, always let your conscience be your guide. But conscious means that you are awake and breathing and moving. So basically you are L-I-V-I-N-G. Okay, you are living, you are alive, you are not unconscious because you got knocked in the head or something like that, okay? And this one again is a little harder to spell, but if you can remember how to spell conscience and let it be your guide, then maybe you can remember this kind of funky way of spelling conscious. Again, not very phonetic, but you do have the C-O-N to start it off with, and then S-C-I-O-U-S, okay? So again, one is your morals and values, that's the one with science in it, and the next one just means that you are alive and kicking.